don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the international friendly Bafana Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by the kid with no sense.
Stivo, the preseason has started, as you can see. Stivo, it's an international break.
Yeah.
Don't know even why we are wearing this shirt. My leader, because Chiefs is not in the Bafana. Can you give me Judge Yussi, man? Chiefs is not even in the Bafana, so you don't. No, he doesn't deserve to wear it, man. He's not in the level of wearing it.
Yes, Chivo, can move because we Papa Joy. For Papa Joy, can move because Papa Wawali Mama Joy. Abating, Bakwa. Yeah, Kugas Park, Abating.
Because he's a Papa Joy.
Yes, he doesn't qualify to wear it. Only teams that has players in the Bafana
I don't qualify because I know the players quite thick.
Oscar Waro, one of Mukana Bola, Hatia Boots. Tiba Boots. Marzu thing. Mudu thing. Why?
You'll come back. Don't worry. Ball.
He comes.
Where is in our tell Chiefs in Yana? Fuck. Oh, Bobby will tell you But still, let's first clarify, Uti. What's the main aim or the importance of the goal of this kind of games is Tibo? Because I know some South Africans, they will go and scrutinize and criticize Hugo Bruce prior to this result of not winning the game. Sure. They will go and say, why? That's why we didn't call Chiefs players that could have scored. You didn't call who could have scored and everything. Yeah. Remember the pre-season. Sure. It's preparation for the new season. Yes. Even this game, it's an international friendly in which is the preparation for the upcoming serious games, Stibo. Yeah. In this kind of games, you don't need to call quality players like Sundowns players, whatever players who are quality, who are always in the A game. Yeah. You just need to call those players who you think they deserve to be there, and they're the future of Bafana Bafana. If it was today's game, there was no... I don't think there were less of those people whose ages were 27, 26 upwards there. Or when we had young players, what does that tell you? Hugo Bruce is preparing for the future. He's calling players, he's testing combinations and everything. It's all about testing today. Results were not the matter of the game. It didn't matter if we won, we lost. The matter was just testing. And remember, each and every time when you test combinations and everything, you won't always be successful. That's why you will see some teams, they lose 4-0 in the pre-seasons, but going to do very well in the seasons, Tibo. Because of that, you're just trying combination. You're a game, you rest them. That's why in the upcoming games, our pre-season, when Chiefs go to the Netherlands, Pirates go where all the teams go to wherever they go. We will start talking about why don't you give an opportunity to this guy because he's not playing last season? Why don't you test this guy because he's not playing last season? So Hugo Bruce is just doing a testing. And what I like about him, Stibo, no Sundowns player. What does that tell you? No Sundowns player, no problem. Even in the future. Even if Sundowns drops in the future, there's no problem. We have a quality players without Sundowns. We can play a good game without Sundowns. Yeah. Remember back in the days when Chiefs was dominating South African football, we had up to seven players of Kaizer Chiefs in the squad. Even in terms of those coaches were not... they never had the mind of what is a preparation game. They were always calling those key players in the international friendlies, whatever you're playing like Malawi, Zimbabwe. You call those players that are always playing in the A games. You don't call who the players that you need to test. That means you're not preparing for the future. So that when Chiefs dropped, what happened? Bafana fell. Same as Pirates. 7 players of Pirates. When Pirates fell, what happened? So Hugo Bruce is preparing for the future without Sundowns. What are we going to see in Bafana without Sundowns? You don't need to play against. We don't need to test yourself against Morocco. There's no way, bruh. If you're at some level, you're not test yourself against big teams. We are coming in that level, and the very same people who are gonna criticize Hugo Bruce for not playing against Morocco are the very same people who are gonna come and criticize Hugo Bruce and say you must go because you lost to Morocco without his key players. Each and every coach I always tell you, yes, his key players, Steve. You cannot go to a war without your key weapons, Steve. You need to always have your key weapons because of when he goes there and you lose to to Morocco. Abo Tabs, abanye mama abangekho top 8. Basoza bathi you didn't call our players, that's why you lost. Coach must go. We don't have time for stress right now. We don't want any stress. We don't need coach to have stress or anything. No. Wait, I will come there. We don't need. What was I saying? We don't have time for emotional things. We don't have time to be stressed. We don't have time for the coach to have stress of the media says I must go and everything. We have things to prepare. You are saying, why doesn't he call Kaizer Chiefs players? Why doesn't he call Magala, who has most assists and most goals than every Kaizer Chiefs player at Kaizer Chiefs? Why don't he call Sibelebele, who's there in the COSAFA playing very well and played very well at Into? There are many quality players in South Africa, Steve. Quality players, Steve. There's Bomukize, there's Bobo Magalo, I can mention, many players in South Africa who deserve to be Bafana, but no chosen, Steve. That doesn't mean no good team fair to Bafana. Like sometimes you need to understand the coach preference and what the coach wants. Doesn't mean your players are not called there because they're not. That doesn't mean they're not quality. You yourself. One thing I'm fighting with Kaizer Chiefs fans also is you want this principle. Here's that principle. You can't call players whose team is below us. They're referring to super sport players. Why that very same principle they don't apply? They apply it and say you can't call Kaizer Chiefs players. Why don't you call Keleto Magalo? There they are, the COSAFA regions. Keleto Magalo is not there. Keleto Magalo has more assists than everybody at Kaizer Chiefs. Last time I checked in Kaizer Chiefs, the leading person in terms of assists is Gaston Serino with 5. Not our player. The other one who has 5 goals in terms of goals is Lilepo, who's not even, who's way far from this guy Keleto Magalo, but not called. But you won't hear people going there and complaining and say, why don't you call these players? Coach has perseverance and coach is testing Steve. You didn't say Pesita out today, he's available to play, but he was never called. You didn't say Mahoba, he's available to play, but never called Steve. You see a quality player like Tepam Moremi. You know Tepam Moremi, season and season out, even last season was performing better than any Kaizer Chiefs player, but was never called Bafana. Always Najiki Shoko the preliminary scout. But you won't hear that guy who does at the stadium complaining and say, why don't you call Tepam Moremi? You saw his quality today. He got to cool, calm and collected, going forward to dangerous as a winger. Steve. He has seven assists in the league, 3 goals in the league. But you won't hear people playing. There's Kwabia. Been playing very well, better than any other defender, midfielder at this certain team. But he was never called, always Ajikisha Konde. But people never complained about him, never cried about him. So if you want to apply your principles, please, your principles, they must never change according to situation and everything. And now I'm going to come and compel to those fans who are going to say when COSAFA lose and say it's Kaizer Chiefs who's losing. Very, very wrong, Steve. Very, very wrong. South Africa, Bafana, COSAFA, and anything is not about any team. It's not about Sundowns, it's not about Pirates. It's a team. It's a national team. When we lose together. Doesn't mean any Kaizer Chiefs play. When we won AFCON under 20, when Fundo Villagers was there, I don't know Newa Butlok was there but Chiefs players were there. Have you ever heard people? Why didn't they say Chiefs won that medal? Why don't they say so? But when Chiefs when Chiefs players are in the squad, when we lose, they say it's Chiefs players. No, sometimes let's understand this thing of national team. I think football now, Steve, it has got to a level where people are or something like that, Steve. No. Honestly speaking, people just go with feelings. There's no sometimes level banter abuse, Steve. I think we must go and sit down in the portfolio committee and change in the constitution and change this team banter thing. We must put relegation to banter, Steve. But anyways, Steve. In my wrap-up, Steve, we played very well today, though we didn't accumulate many goals and everything. But I think, Steve, we are experiencing one of the best national team in one of the best class of the national team, Steve. From our under-17 to this Bafana and everything, Steve. We are having quality in terms of football and everything. We are just being led by people who are I don't know to say corrupt or anything, Steve. Those people who are leading at Safa, Steve, they are really doing bad. And Bafana, Banyana or a national team doesn't deserve this kind of people. Look, a leader who has been in leadership for 10 years or 20 years, he's failing to answer simple questions. Simple. How can you sign a contract that doesn't disclose the amounts? We know how much Betway Premiership is given to the PSL, and credit to Ivan Koza for running PSL very, very well. I think Koza, I don't know, nobody age doesn't no longer allow Steve, but he must go and run Safa, because people who are running Safa, Steve, they're really very, very corrupt, and whatever they're doing is not good for Bafana, Steve. Ramaphosa wenzeni ongene White House go Trump ne Elon ayikhila Steve so ngiyamsaba umndawo athi naye yapheka bayamsaba
Steve Ukraine Tom. Mnandi asizingene fast Steve uzoqala fast.
ashaya le one Ukraine continue
Ngibona sebastrike kana.
Steve wa strike Steve.
Hayi ikhate and then ngimushape ya fast.
Yeah.